All right, everybody. Your next comedian, he is the cook here. Give it up for Rot.
Good evening, humans. How are you doing on this lovely, lovely Wednesday evening? You having a good time? You drinking? You getting fucked up? That was my boss. Make some noise for Allison Rose. I've known her for what seems like 36 years, but I think it's been 5. We met at a bar. We used to get drunk all the time. She doesn't have a drinking problem, but she did one time manage to get an Uber driver hopelessly lost in her own neighborhood and called me crying. I was living in a vape store and a dog bed at the time and really didn't have any advice for her except for blow the guy. I mean, you'll get home eventually. She's a responsible fucking business owner. Give her some respect. She just wrote farts on my hand. Like when she was walking up to me, I thought it was important. We used to sell weed together. I got her a job at a weed store. I was her boss for a little while. That was fun. Taught her how to make cool signs on a fucking chalkboard and got to tell her what to do. And then for a while, I was her shed boy. I lived on her property in a shed, which was cool because sometimes I'd get off work. And as a cook, you know, I like to go make some high-dollar quality food like Tortino's pizzas, you know. And one time I go in there and she had a dude over. I didn't know that. I just wanted my pizza. And he comes out of the bedroom and he's like, "Who the fuck are you?" And I looked at him like, "I'm her fucking husband. Who the fuck are you, dude?" And he was a big dude, Neanderthal-looking motherfucker, almost beat the shit out of me. I was like, just kidding, I'm the shed boy. Whatever that infers. It was good times, it was good times.